wild animal.
You join us at Kirkley Hall Zoological Gardens.
Can I touch it if it comes up?
There's a beautiful peacock, look at that.
Oh, he's got an ouch, he's had a fight.
Oh. Ostriches, look, over there. Following the peacock, and it's bringing us to this beautiful white one. Look at that. Wow. That is amazing.
Oh, gorgeous.
How beautiful is that?
Gorgeous. It's amazing, look.
Wow. And the ones down the back as well, like they're just so.
The tufty bits.
Yeah. Wow.
If you go stand next to it, I'll take your photo. No. You're not that brave?
Hello.
You're a big brave boy. I really wanted to spread its wings now some kittens out. Look at the monkeys! Oh my god, there's monkeys!
Yes, but if you look behind you.
I've seen him.
And up here as well.
Yes, I saw him before.
Capybara. Hello. It's been adopted. Isn't that cute?
Oh, lovely.
Hello, little one.
This monkey's got the coolest hairstyle ever. Taylor. You seen this monkey's hair?
He's running. What's he been a bit huffy for?
God knows, I've never got a couple of kittens before. She's got PMT.
Hello.
Look.
Hello, little one.
This one's actually moving. Look.
Oh, that's so fucking cute. Can you see the baby? I mean, the chameleon's awesome. It's Pascal, but look at the tiny little.
Oh. You can't just say, but there's a little baby lesser Madagascan
Put your
tenric.
flashlight on.
No, because that'll upset them.
That'll upset them.
Oh,
Because they're nocturnal.
Because can you just see his little tiny eye just there?
Yeah.
And the bright light will hurt it.
Oh, look, it's moved.
He's moving away.
I've always wanted one of these.
Isn't that
They're
lovely?
so pretty.
He's at the top. Yeah.
Yeah?
He's trying to get
He's
on
the only animal in the world that can see forward and backward at the same time. Because he can move his eyes independently of each other. So you know how we look together with binocular vision, with both eyes forward. He can move one eye all the way back and you can see all the way around the back.
Let's see if he just clings onto there.
That's what he's doing. He's showing his sun in his belly. He's having a bit of a sunbathe.
Get some heat onto his belly,
Oh.
see?
That was majestic.
It was
Look
very
at its
nicely
tail.
done.
Beautiful.
If you look at this, the notes here, will climb out, long arms. You can see he might be...
Found him.
He's making a break for freedom. Go on, little one. Escape. No peeing in the swimming pool.
What are they?
There's 4.
Oh,
I've been adopted.
they are bush dogs.
They are adorable.
They are...
How gorgeous are those?
What are they?
Bush dogs.
I've been adopted, thank you, Miss Alice Arrington.
Hello, little one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's kind of like a cross between a dog and a bear.
It reminds me of this red pandas as well.
Yes. They're adorable. Oh, God. Oh, they're coming around. Oh, my Lord, they're adorable.
Look at
I know.
those.
Oh.
The baby one's going to come back around to the mum and dad, I think.
They're making lovely noises.
I think that's
Can
the
you hear
baby
them,
one.
Taylor? good. Doing a little tour while those two sleep. I feel wrong filming this, and I apologise, but you do see it on the TV, I suppose. And typical guys lay back down and gone to sleep. So, hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
You're beautiful. Yes. Yes. You're beautiful.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tony's managed to kill the pig. Oh, the ball like that.
Look at that.
So the trick is to, instead of holding it like...
Yeah, look. Just drinking all the nectar. We'll just look at that. Sitting on a shed roof. It's most comfortable. Quite happy there. Majestic as. Majestic AF.
Hello, beautiful.
Wow. How majestic. Yeah, does that look?
It looks quite majestic. And you're ignoring the other one, he doesn't like it. What?
What?
Well, come here then.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Na, 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 na. Oh, it's the raccoon dogs. Hello, little man.
Hello.
Hello there. Are you playing? Do you want to play? Help me. I'm a coconut and I've been trapped for years in here. Help me. Ah. The wallabies following us around the enclosure. And they've got beautiful grounds here to play in and wander around in. It's really nice. Hello. Yes, it's got beautiful grounds. It's loads of trees. Yes. Watching me. He doesn't like me.
You know what it is? He reminds me of Gabby.
Yes, it's got lovely grounds and trees to play with, and there's one just over here as well. Yeah.
Right. That's what it's reached.
Evening, guys. We've been back home a while. There's a Paula. Been back home a while after our adventure at the zoological gardens. We were pleasantly surprised by the place. We didn't realise it was that big or had that such array of animals. Really, we didn't expect it at all, and we were pleasantly surprised.
I saw an ocelot.
Yes, so an ocelot. They were all gorgeous, to be fair, and the free roaming peacocks were beautiful. But yeah, we are tired now.
Exhausted.
Yeah, I'm going in the bath. Yeah, stick. Our little big book of magic came the other day, and we've been going through it and getting ourselves more excited. 477 days to Disney. So, yeah, that being said, we are off, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I'm outie, I'm on.